On a lighter note, what is the meaning of this and how to use it? If I say, wow, Diwali party, that sounds great. On the lighter note, who is sponsoring it? Am I correct in using on the lighter note? I am using it as saying something funny or witty. Please let me know, if it is wrong, the correct usage of it.
No, on a lighter note generally means on a less serious topic. In addition, the phrase is typically used with the word a, not the word the. Example: many people have died during the war in Afghanistan. On a lighter note, where should we have lunch?
Typically used as a formal way of gracefully switching from a serious topic to a less serious one. Manchester United has dropped crucial points in the last 2 EPL encounters, making the fans restless. On a lighter note, we need to drink our heads off this evening to celebrate your birthday.
Manchester